Without a doubt, the biggest stumbling block that most people have when it comes to starting to become an affiliate marketer is if I tell them, well, you really need to be putting videos on YouTube, the first thing they're going to think is, I don't want my face on camera and I don't want my voice being used. And I totally get that. Like when I first started in this business myself, we used to have a caravan outside the front of our house. Beautiful caravan, 26 foot long, lovely, lovely caravan. But what it was for me when it was parked outside the house and we weren't on holiday was a place that I could go and hide when I wanted to record. So I'd go into the caravan and I'd pull the blinds down and shut the doors so that I could feel that nobody could see or hear me when I did stuff like this, came on to camera. And so I really understand how uncomfortable it can make a lot of people feel. I also started in the beginning looking for text-to-speech programs. This is before AI and all the stuff we've got now. And I was looking for an app that would give me the ability to create review videos without using my own voice. So I totally understand the whole thing about not wanting to have your face on camera and use your own voice. But YouTube videos are a really, really powerful way of getting into affiliate marketing. There's this kind of a hack that I teach. And before I go any further, I just want to tell you, if you stick with me on this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this without using your own voice and without using your face. All right, so you can create review videos that get sales very, very simply. It's literally a copy and paste solution without any of that, okay? Now, the reason that this whole YouTube video thing works is because we have a load of vendors who are also super affiliates in this industry that I work in. And we've got a site called muncheye.com, and people list on the site muncheye.com, they list their upcoming launches. The JVs, the affiliates, the people that want to promote those launches go to Muncheye, they look through, they choose an offer, and then they start broadcasting it to their list. And their list could be 10, 20, 30,000, 100,000 people strong. Now, 99 times out of 100, what they'll do is send that email broadcast straight through to the sales page via their affiliate link so that they get paid an affiliate commission. And that's where we step in, because if we can have videos on YouTube maybe a couple of days before that launch goes live, and the video is called, the title is called Product Name Review of that product, and we put that as the first line of the description, and we have some keywords in there that relate to the product and maybe some of the tags, etc., then we've got a really good chance of ranking if someone searches. So what happens is the super affiliates, they mail their tens and hundreds of thousands of email addresses, and a percentage of those people are going to think, yeah, this looks interesting, I'm interested in that. Can I get a review? Can I get bonuses? And so they'll go and search on YouTube and on Google. They will search product name review, product name bonuses, etc. And that's where we step in. Now, if you're not comfortable with making a review with your face on camera, using your own voice, etc., there are ways that you can do that without your face on camera. So you can just record your screen as you speak. But again, you might not want to use your voice. And also all that takes time. We have to edit it, and if you want to really get some decent figures when it comes to affiliate marketing, what's a really good thing to do is to kind of take advantage of the numbers game, because in our industry we have 10, 15 launches a day being posted on Muncheye. Can you imagine that? So imagine if you were able, if there was a way, thanks to AI, that you could get 10 or 15 videos a day uploaded. You've got more chance of making money, more chance of making affiliate commissions because of that numbers game thing. So 10 or 15 launches a day, all these different affiliates blasting their email lists. There's a chance that you could get some commissions because you'd have your video there, people would search for it, your video would show up, your affiliate link would be in the description, they click on that, you get paid a commission. So it sounds simple, doesn't it, when we put it like that? And it actually can be simple now, because I've just found a tool that I want to show you that's going to enable you to do this in a copy and paste manner. So let's go over to my laptop now and I'll show you how that works. So here I am inside the members area, and I've just created this video. And literally all you do, so if I come over to videos and new video, right? All you need to do is just copy and paste. It is literally copy and paste some stuff, right? So anything that's launching, let's say for example, let's go over to Muncheye. So we go to Muncheye. Let's go for this one. Say Adeliki. Sorry if I got that wrong. Say. And we'll come through, this is the Muncheye page, click on here for the JV invite, then you'd want to get your affiliate link, right? So you'd want to get your affiliate link, and to do that, you click on promote, and you'd go and click get your link from Warrior Plus or JVZoo, wherever it's being launched, okay? But what I want to do for now is just find the sales page. So this says SP preview. That would be the sales page, but it's not clicking. So let's come through back to Warrior Plus and see if we can get the sales page by clicking on the sales page button there. Okay, here it is, all right? So all we need to do is take this link at the top. I'm going to go Control C, and I'm going to come back over. So the video name we'll call Revio 2025 Review, and the product name we'll call Revio 2025. And our affiliate link, right? All I need to do is request approval, request that offer, and then my link is going to pop up over here once I close this box. You just right click that, copy that link, and come back over to the program, and I'm just going to pop that link in, all right? So put that in there. Now here I can put a tracking link. So see where it ends in 0. If I put /, I could put any tracking link I want. So let's say I was to put test, for example, because we're doing this test. Now notice it says here, use intro, use outro. What you can do is you can pre-record your own intro and outro. And if you really want to get decent results, I think that's definitely worth doing, because with your intro, you'd be able to say, like, this, welcome to this product review. And you'll be able to talk about things like bonuses. Like, if you pick this up through me, I'm going to give you these bonuses. You'll be able to do all stuff like that. And the outro, you'll be able to say, right, there you have it. That's the so-and-so review. And by saying that, you get a bit more control by putting in the intro and the outro, but you don't have to. All right. So I'm going to show you it without doing that. So I'm just going to click on continue. Now, what this is going to do is use AI to go over to the sales page and create that video. So here we can see down here, Revio 2025 review. Going to click on edit, and if we scroll through here, you'll see what this has done. This has picked up, so we've not looked at the sales page, all right? We've not looked at the sales page. This has picked up images from the sales page. Now, when I tested this a little while ago, the first thing I noticed was the images that it picked up weren't great, but don't worry about that because this doesn't take long. So see the first one here. Down the bottom is what the video is going to say. So it says Revio 2025 is an advanced live streaming solution designed to enhance the user experience for events, businesses, and content creators. Now, bear in mind, we don't even know what Revio 2025 is. Right? That's what makes this so easy. We don't know what it is. All right. So we're going to go change graphic and find site graphic. Then on here, this is like the first slide, right? So we want something really that's got something about, like, so that, maybe that one there. Okay, now that looks nice, looks much better. Didn't take long, did it? It's literally, it goes to the site, you choose the graphic you want. All right, save the scene, and then just drag this little bar here to the next one, okay? Now the next one is just 5 stars. Obviously we want to change that as well. The text here, it says, this innovative platform offers high quality video streaming with minimal lag, ensuring that audiences engage seamlessly. Let's change the graphic, and we're going to look for a graphic from the site. Now you can go, like, say, if we come back here, look, you can go to enter a graphic URL or upload a graphic, but it's much easier just to go to the sales page of the product. Okay, so we could take, for example, this one. Looks good, doesn't it? Save the scene, and once again we just drag it along. Then that one will leave. That one we can leave. Obviously, if you were doing this, you might want to spend a bit more time, but just for the purposes of me showing you how this works, all right? So this one I'm going to change graphic. It says, built with robust security measures, users content, safe streaming. Change the graphic, find site graphic, built with robust. Let's go for that one. Yep, that looks good. Save the scene. Come over to the next one. And this one, it says the platform is suitable for a wide range of applications, from virtual events and webinars to online classes and product launches. So we're going to change that as well. Find site graphic. Don't think we use that one there. That looks good. Save scene. Come across. So you see, although it's doing it with AI, it's like it, as with all AI at the moment, I think it does help to have a human being to come in and just make a few changes, all right? So this one says, additionally, integrates popular social media channels. Let's see if there is a social media graphic on there, on that page. I mean, you could use something like this. Yeah, that could work. Save scene. And then we come through to what I think is going to be the last one. Yeah. And this says, finally, it's scalable infrastructure supports growth, make it an ideal choice for businesses looking to expand. Let's change the graphic. Find site graphic. And just come through and choose one. Let's go for that. It's quite fancy. Save the scene. And then we're going to render the video. And that's it, right? Sure you want to render it? What do you reckon? I think so. This takes just a few minutes to render, and then I'll show you the result, which I personally think is pretty good, because not only do you get the video, but it takes care of the bonuses as well for you. It does a whole ton of stuff. So this is going to make it really easy for you to get those, to turn it into a numbers game, because we don't look at the product. We don't know what the product is. We have no clue about the product. All we need is a sales page and our affiliate link. Done and dusted. That to me is music to my ears, because that means that we've got a real chance of being able to knock out a lot of these in a day. Now it says that the render is finished. Click to continue, and it is at this stage, guys, that I sometimes think, please work, but I'm sure it will. So there we go. It says scene saved, and we can now go to videos, and here now we can view that one, and here is the video. All right, so let's just play this. I'll mute my mic.
Hello guys and girls, this is Ray here, and today I have something really special for you. It's a new software that was just released that you're absolutely gonna love. And let me tell you, man, this one actually has me excited. It's something that's really gonna help you in your business, I promise you.
Solution designed to enhance the user experience.
Wait, I think I said use intro, didn't I? So we've gotten it. That's cool. That's even better than I thought, guys. Come back here.
That was just released that you're absolutely gonna love. And let me tell you, man, this one actually has me excited. It's something that's really gonna help you in your business, I promise you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you a demo of this product. But first I want you to go down there and check out my link to the bonuses that I'm going to give you if you purchase this product with my link. These bonuses will actually help you with this product. So go ahead and check it out. Okay, now let's jump right into it and let me show you the demo.
Revio 2025 is an advanced live streaming solution designed to enhance the user experience.
That's good. I didn't even know it did. I thought that you had to put your own in, which you probably can, but that's good. So now I'm assuming at this end, so we can see the video here, look, it's got all our images in there. Right, at this end, I think that, yes, the guy's going to be back. Let's see. This is good. This is good.
Making it an ideal choice for businesses looking to expand their live streaming capabilities.
Alright, I hope you like this demo, and if you want to see more stuff like this, all you got to do is please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please like and share this if you know anybody that would like to have this product, and don't forget to click the link down there below so that you can get my bonuses. Check out the bonuses, okay? I'll see you in another video. Hello guys and girls, this is Ray here, and today
I'm impressed. All right? I've got to admit, I'm impressed. I didn't even realise it was going to be that good. Intro and outro. This is good. I was going to swear then, but I can't, can I? This is good. Okay, right, so down the bottom here, we've got additional info, and this is where it gets even more exciting. So this is your special bonus page. This is your bonus delivery page. This is your YouTube description. Now, get a load of this, right? You've just seen me do this. This is blowing my mind. How easy this is, all right? So we've now got a YouTube description written for us, ready to go with our bonus link, all right? All we need to do is put our affiliate link in for this. So this bonus link, let's see, it's your bonus page. Right, open that in a new tab. I've not even looked at this yet. Right, so here we have the bonuses, and then here we would have our affiliate link as well, and that's going to put that in there for you as well, right? So we've got the video, we've got the description, we've got the delivery page for the bonuses, we've got the bonus page built for us. It's good stuff, right? Seriously, this is good stuff. Now look, if you pick this up through me, you are going to get the bonuses that you can see here. AI Image Pro, so create any image you can think of with multiple styles with AI. You're going to get video cards, which is Brett's avatar-based video creation system, perfect for creating sales videos for your e-learning sites. You're going to get chatter sales. With chatter sales, you can put a live chat and a customer FAQ right on your website. And you're going to get AI Site Builder, build complete niche sites in seconds that rank high in Google using AI to do all the work for you. With over 10,000 sites built, this platform generating over 50,000 free visitors a month, right? So you're going to get all of those bonuses completely free of charge if you pick this up through me. I've got to say, I'm pleasantly surprised with the results that I got there, because I wasn't expecting it to be as good as that. That, for me, was a really, really clever piece of software, and that should enable anybody to be able to come in and create affiliate reviews and therefore earn commissions with ease. Now, things to remember about being an affiliate. In our industry, go to muncheye.com, you've always got these ton of different launches that are being launched on a daily basis for you to choose from. You don't, with this program, you don't need to even look at the product that's being launched. You don't need to know anything about it. The program, the software, the AI takes care of all of that for you. It creates a video, but it pulls the information from the sales page. So literally, this is like the closest that you can get to push button riches, because it's copy and paste. That old cliche, if you can copy and paste, you can do this. You can do this. You've just seen me do it. So easy. All right. So I think this is really, really exciting and definitely worth a go. You know what I would do? I'd grab this, I'd set up a new channel, and I'd just upload as many videos every single day as I possibly could doing this. Getting products from ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, affiliate platforms all over the place, and putting up as many as I could. Remember, it's a numbers game, all right? So we are looking for people searching for that. You might also want to then try later on to rank for terms that people search for, actual search terms. So rather than the product, it might be how to build a list, and then the solution you provide is a list building software or training product, as an example. But definitely this is something to get very excited about. I would recommend that you give this a go. Don't forget to get it through my link so you get those bonuses. And in the meantime, I wish you and yours all the very best. You take care. I'll speak to you soon. See you.